welcome to Bottoms Down Chair Yoga for Everyone, the Donki Briefs series. I'm Carol. I'm so glad you've joined us today. Donki Briefs is all about taking a little break from your day, being kind to yourself, and moving through a few yoga poses and movements. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget it's free and we'd love to hear from you, so leave a comment. In today's brief practice, we'll explore poses to stretch. You'll only need a chair for today's class, and let's get started. So we're going to move forward in our chair, and we're going to heel-toe our feet a little bit wide. So my hands are going to rest here on my thighs, and I'm going to begin to let my heart fall forward, and then I'm going to let this shoulder drop between my legs. Okay, I'm going to lift that shoulder up, and then I'm going to let the other one fall. So it's a little shoulder dip series here. You should feel a good stretch in the back and the shoulder. Let's come up, and we're going to do it again. Now, if you want a little bit more, you can just kind of press on that inner thigh. That might give you a little stretch for that inner thigh as well. And up we go, and let's do the other side. Up we go. We're going to do it one more time. It just feels so good, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Let's come up, and last time, last side. All right, go ahead and come up. Now, I want you to bring your feet in just a little bit, not all the way, but just a couple of heel-toe ends. And then we're going to move into garland pose. So we're going to hinge forward, and then you're going to put the fleshy part of the arms on the inside of those legs. And then you're going to press out. So I'm pressing out with my arms, and I'm pressing in with my legs. So the inner thighs are stretching here. I'm using my palms. I'm letting that upper body kind of resist, if that makes sense, a little resistance there. One more breath. Okay, we're going to release that. So it's a little isometric stretch, right? We're going to do that again. So go ahead and hinge forward. Bring those arms on the inside of those legs. Palms are together. I'm pressing out with my arms and in with my legs. So I'm isometrically stretching the inner and outer thighs. My upper body is getting a little work too here. I'm even feeling it in my upper back just a little bit. I don't know if you feel that. One more breath here. And we're just going to release that, and we're going to roll it up. Very good. Okay, so bring those feet back together, and then we're going to come to a standing position. So what we're going to do is we're going to face our chair, okay? Take a little step back, and then we're going to hinge forward, and we're going to bring our hands to the seat of the chair. So now I'm going to bend my knee, and I'm going to open that opposite arm nice and open. So kind of stacking those shoulders if possible, but don't overextend this arm. We tend to want to bring that arm way back, and it's not that. It's the shoulders, right? So stacking those shoulders is where you're going to get the stretch. So I'm feeling a stretch through my shoulders, I'm feeling a stretch in my back, and I'm also feeling the side of this leg that's straight. All right, now we're going to come down, and we're going to place that hand in the chair, and we're going to just go the other way. Okay, so feel that stretch. Again, don't overextend that upper arm. It's not about how long or how, wide can I get that. That's not what this is about. Let's go ahead and straighten that leg and put the hand back in the chair, and we're going to do that again. It's a straddle forward fold with a twist. And then we're going to come down, and we're going to do that one final time. And down we go. And let's roll it up. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. And there is your donkey brief. We're so glad that you joined, and I will see you next time.